So hello, good morning students. Today I am going to read and explain you about our second semester essay number 1, that is the person I admire the most. Now what is the meaning of the person I admire the most? Admire means to follow somebody's footsteps or to just look at up to their life and to try to bring all that principles into our life. So there are various persons we admire, you know that. Like if you are good in singing, so you might be like a singer. If you are good in dance, so you might like somebody in dance. So ऐसे तो बहुत सारे होंगे जिनको हम admire करते हैं, but as a common factor or as a common person whom we see every day, who is doing a lot for us. So according to that, I have given you this topic, the person I admire most. So I have taken a person who is very important in all of our lives. So that is who? So, which is our mom. So I'm going to read the essay, and it's a very easy essay. I'm going to read it. Now I have here given you an explanation according to myself. You can add on more explanation according to your mother. और बाकी तो हर किसी की मम्मी अपने बच्चों के लिए जो है बहुत ही स्वीट और लवेबल होती है, तो उस हिसाब से ही मैंने भी लिखा है. So accordingly you can add on if you want to describe your mother anyhow. Okay. There are quite a lot of people I admire, but the person I admire the most is my mom. My mom is very pretty and cares a lot about me, which is why I admire her the most. My mom is tall and has black hair. She has dark brown eyes. My mom is a very decent and friendly person. Now, in the second paragraph, you can add on the appearances of your moms according to कि वो कैसे दिखते हैं, उनका बाल कैसा है, लंबा है, शॉर्ट है, जो भी है, that you can add on according to yourself. Being selfless is a great quality that my mom has because whenever I am sick, she stays up all night to look after me. She sacrifices her own needs for my requirements. My mom is also very protective about me. She gives away all her pleasures for my sake and wants me to be happy all the time. This is a common factor of all the mom, the common character of all the mom, है कि नहीं? जब भी हम बीमार होते हैं तो she is the one who will take care of us. She is the one who will not eat. She will sacrifice whatever ना she is having for all our requirements. एंड हम कभी भी बाहर जाते तो बोलते हैं ना, ध्यान देना, अभी तो मास्क पहनना, ग्लव्स पहनो, यहाँ मत छूना, वहाँ मत छूना. So we sometimes get irritated, but all this is her love towards us. So all the moms are like that. My mom does a lot of hard work with me with my school's work because she dreams of me being the top student in my class. She also cooks the best food for me. Now, all the time we think why our mothers are behind us to be like, pado, 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 right? But the factor is that she wants us to be in the top, or she wants us to be at least better for ourselves, not compete to others, but जहाँ पे हम अच्छे हो सकते हैं वहाँ पे हम बहुत अच्छे हो जाएं, वो यही चाहते हैं. My first and obviously all the moms cook the food the best in the world and hygienic food. So sometimes we don't like it, but that is the best food we can have anytime. My first and best teacher and guardian is my mom because she taught me when I was small and still teaches me and works very hard with me. She corrects me where I am wrong and also scolds me sometimes for my betterment. She is very understanding and also knows everything in and out of me. There is no generation gap between me and my mother. My mom is also the best friend I ever had. Now, whenever we were small, till from that time to till here, और आप कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ, वेदर यू आर इन 40 और यू आर इन 50, वो तभी भी आपकी कोई भी गलती होंगे तो आपको सुधारेंगे, कुछ आप अच्छा करोगे तो आपको शाबाशी देंगे, और वो अपना हर एक सिचुएशन समझते हैं. वेदर वी टॉक अबाउट इट और डोंट टॉक अबाउट इट, शी नोज समथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन within us or for us or whatever it is. So we should not actually keep any generation gap between we and our mom. Why? Because she can only be the best friend, the bestest friend ever we can have, because she can solve our problems, she can solve our problems, she can solve anything we have issues, and we can be 100% sure कि हम जो उनको बोल रहे वो और किसी को नहीं बोलेंगे. So that surety we can always have. My mom does not have many habits. She is very good at doing arts and also has some interest in designing clothes. She also loves cooking and baking things with me and my brother. Now, in this paragraph, also you can put your mom's interest. What is she interested in? ये तो मैंने random ऐसे लिखा है. आप लिख सकते हो कि she loves dancing or she loves cooking or जो आपकी मम्मी को पसंद है. In this paragraph also you can add on. I love my mom very much and she also loves me. There cannot be another person in our life as our mom. So always love, care and have a great respect for mom because she never expects any reward. She only needs the love and warmth of her family. I love you mom. Now our moms don't expect कि अब वो खाना बना के देगी तो हम उनको पैसे देंगे, वो ड्रेस लेके देगी तो हम उनको ये करके देंगे. No, they are not expecting anything. They only want our love, our care, and most importantly they want our respect for them. कि हम सबके सामने हो, अकेले में हो, फैमिली में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, हम उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से रिस्पेक्ट करें, प्यार करें, उनका भी केयर लें, है ना. सो दे डोंट वांट एनी रिवॉर्ड्स कि भाई सोना चांदी पैसा बंगला गाड़ी. दे डोंट वांट एनीथिंग. दे ओनली वांट आवर लव and care for them. So this is what our moms need. So at last, after this essay, I think so you should all go and say to your mother that I love you mom for what you are and for what you are doing for me and I'm really grateful. ऐसा हमें हमारी moms को कहना चाहिए. And if you will just go and say I love you mom, so you can see the happiness what she might be having on her face. So take care of your mom and give her all the happiness and write this essay in the grammar notebook. I will share the PDF also with you. I got with this link. So thank you students, and this will be coming in your unit test, so be prepared for it also. Thank you. Take care.